Hi, my name is Christopher. I'm from Georgia. My story is my grandmother. Her name is Freddie. She worked in a candy plant in southern Georgia for 35 years. Uh, in those years, my grandmother she had several different jobs in the candy plant. But her main job was she was a pesticide inspector, and what she would go and uh, inspect the plant and make sure that things were in accordance to the laws of the land. Uh, During the time my grandma worked at the plant, she worked there for 35 years, and in those years, she raised four kids. She helped my grandfather out in healthcare because he didn't have a healthcare plan, being a big bricklayer. Uh, and during that time, after those 35 years, after she worked there and she raised a family, after she retired, she contracted fatal lung cancer, and which she contracted while she worked at the plant. Uh, those years were very hard for her because the healthcare, the health insurance wouldn't cover her immediately because they said she had a condition that she contracted while she was working at the plant, but she never got it checked. So in those times, I mean, she struggled and she was really sick, but she couldn't get the adequate health care that she needed because they had to go through all these red strings and she had to be put on Medicare because the insurance that she had before wouldn't cover it. And I think during those times, she really lost valuable time that she could have had with her family, and we could have really fought uh, the cancer. And I mean, really seeing her suffer was was tough for me.